9 o'clock by your biological clock, so we were going to watch the rest of this next clip, and then we're going to adjourn for the evening. So, all right, Mr. Etheridge, you have it ready, I believe. If you'll dim the lights. This is on page 165 through 183.
Alex is a witness. I hear you. He saw everything.
Are you scared?
What happened? Daniels. Daniels. I don't know. Then what? I shut the door. I moved the coffee table. You put it where? In front of the door. So it couldn't be open. Well, those doors are already open, but you moved the coffee table in front of the doors? Yeah. What else happened? I went back to the bedroom and went to sleep. And that was after he ran outside, caught him, pulled him back in, spanked him. We got to lock the door.
Yeah. You said you put him out?
Yeah, I was trying to, not let him escape, and then he got out the second time.
And you couldn't catch him, man, or you even try to catch him?
You shut the door, you put the table back in front of the door? Not the back door, but the double doors in our house. Put the table in front of it? Yeah, so it couldn't be opened. This is a complete accident, I'm so sorry. Well, so Joe's outside at this point, and you lock the doors and move stuff in front of them so they can't be open? I'm here with you. Okay. Look, I'm completely sorry. I'm here with you.
We know you are, but the only way you can tell us.
So what else happened? What did you do? I didn't kill the boy or anything like that. What did you do? I just make him alive. Can't let him outside. So the problem was that I don't remember what time it was when this happened. I thought you said it was between 11:30. Something like that. Yeah, it was 11:30. Because I got up at 11:30, and then for some reason there was a point where I don't remember what happened for like 30 minutes.
But you do remember him spanking him and running outside, you catch him. I mean, you're telling this, you remember all that stuff.
So I believe, yeah. So what you just told me, okay? Let me make sure I understand. Alex comes to get you. The baby Joe feed. Right. You go in, put out some beds, don't worry about it. Tell them to get their asses back in bed. You spank baby Joe, right? You go to walk out, he comes back out, and he's laughing. Yeah. Then you spank him some more, right? Yeah. You tell him to get out. Okay, right? You open the door and tell him to get out. I want to know the fingerprints of the block. Well, hold on. I want to go through this. Okay, I want to make sure I understand. Right. Exactly what happened. It happened subconsciously. So you open the door and put him out. Right? You put him outside. At what point did you run? That time? He didn't run that time. Okay. So you put him out. Did you shut the door? No. Okay, you left the door open, but you put him outside. And how long was he outside? For a few minutes. Then you brought him back in. You back in some more? No. You brought him back in, yelling at him? No,
Well, what happened when you brought it back in? What happened between then and
straighten, yes, and straighten some more.
you spent some more? And then he took off running?
Yeah,
How far did he run before he caught him? To the road? Did he make it to the road?
he didn't make it to the road. I caught him before he got to the road.
But he was close to the road? Closer to the road than to the house? Okay. Were you barefoot? What were you
I was
wearing?
barefoot, yeah.
What were you wearing?
I was wearing some basketball shorts and t-shirt,
What was he wearing?
black pajamas with skeleton print.
He was barefoot. When you caught him, he was almost at the road. And did you carry him back in or walk him back in?
I'm walking back in.
So you walk him back in, were you holding him to him?
Yeah.
You get back inside. You spanked him some more.
No,
You spank him.
you don't know.
Tell me what else happened.
I didn't kill the boy.
Tell me what else happened.
Okay? I didn't kill the boy.
What,
So you, okay, what happened after that? You spanked him some more?
I went back to bed.
Well, what about, you put him outside and shut the doors?
Yeah. So,
So you catch him at the road, you're in the road, you bring him back in.
just make him.
this was the first time we ran out that.
Alright, so you spanked him, and then you put him back outside?
No. I told him to go back to bed.
And he didn't?
Apparently he did because he got back out.
Okay, so he got back up, you put him outside,
You said you ran out.
Yeah.
and then you shut the
The
door.
first time he did.
It was about the second time.
The second time, I don't remember what happened the second time.
You told me you did. You told me what happened.
So you shut the door and moved the coffee table. Remember that?
Yeah.
What else happened?
He ran out. I let go.
And then he runs out. You had already chased him once, right?
Yeah.
So you let him go the second time. And how far did he go? He was already at the road and looked at.
Yeah.
Was he on the road?
Yeah.
Was he still running?
It's still running.
Which direction?
It was too dark to see up the road because with the lights out in the
So he
house.
was already at the road. Was it raining?
No.
You shut the door?
Shut the door.
Shut the door? And you said you moved the coffee table back in front of the door?
Not the front door, but the
The double doors?
double doors.
And you locked the front door?
No.
Is that the one with the lock?
Yeah.
And that's why the lock was on in the toy chest?
Yeah.
And the coffee table was in front of the double doors?
Yeah.
What did you think would happen when we shut him out there?
I don't know.
And you went back to bed and you woke up at 5:30 or so?
Yeah, and I realized that I didn't know what was going on the night before. It's really hard to like black out like that, and you don't know what happened until you have to sit there and think about what happened.
But you remember now,
So Joe, I still think there's something else you're not telling me about what happened. I did not kill him.
why'd you tell him, I mean, and I'm correct me if I'm wrong about, did you tell him that he could look in the trunk of your car?
I did because I thought that he may have opened the car. So that was the weird part. The car door was open slightly.
When was this?
And when I woke up that morning, see, this doesn't make any sense to me because, I remember doing something, but the problem is I don't remember what happened. I kind of sort of remember, I'm thinking that's what happened, but I don't really know.
You're exactly what you're telling us. I mean, you're not making that up, right?
And the door was slightly open, the car door, so I figured he may have opened the car door and opened the trunk and got into the trunk. That's what I was saying, hey, can you guys check the trunk of the car to see if he's in there?
When I was asking you that question, do you know for sure?
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would remind you that there are certain sections of this transcript and this audio video that I have previously ruled, and some of which the parties have agreed are inadmissible, contain some things that would be distracting and not relevant. So don't worry about what you're not hearing in this situation. Worry only about what you are allowed to hear. There are good legal reasons why we're not allowing this particular section to be heard. All right. Are we ready, Mr. Etheridge, or are you still working on it?
Should be good, Judge.
Thank you. You may be seated. I think we're ready to play the rest of this for you. Mr. Etheridge.
There's a lot more, correct?
Maybe I blacked out, you're probably right.
Tell me what. Tell me what is happening.
Joe, when you black out, you don't have a memory, and you don't know that you're lying. But when you know it,
And that's the part I don't know if that's what happened or not. I mean, I'm just speculating as to probably what have happened or
Tell me what's happening.
have you found him?
Tell me what else happened. It's gonna be okay. Tell me what happened.
I just want to know if you guys found him.
Tell me what happened.
I don't remember what happened the rest of the night.
What else happened?
If the witness saw that he was in the road,
What else happened?
I didn't do anything else to him. Do you know something about that I don't know?
When did you tell Crystal about this?
I haven't told her
When did you tell Crystal?
about Joe being gone.
About all the stuff you've been telling us.
I've never told her. I haven't told anybody.
When did you not ask about it?
I didn't tell him that either.
You didn't have to, he saw.
Are you suggesting that I killed my son?
I'm asking you when you told Alex about it. When you told Alex about it, because he saw.
Alex saw what happened, and Alex has been coached to say, what not to say. But he will eventually tell everything he saw.
When did you tell that?
I didn't tell him anything.
You didn't have to because he saw. Where did you talk to him about it?
But about him not being there,
About it all?
I haven't told him.
Would you tell Alex not to say what he saw?
That's probably when, after I let him out,
And would you tell Alex?
that if he would tell anybody, I was going to beat him. That's what he said, wasn't it?
I believe it. What else?
That's all about that.
What else did he say?
I haven't said anything else that I'm aware of.
Where did he take Christelle?
I haven't told her anything.
Can you tell me?
I haven't told her anything.
But you have. You have, Joe. What did you tell Christelle?
Gotta let her know.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta let her know.
What else did you have?
I beat him.
Because you did more than spank, did you?
Yeah.
Tell me exactly what you did more than spanking. How'd you beat her?
Fill on the floor.
What else did you do?
Spanked him. Was on the floor. Countless times.
How else did you beat him?
Till on the coffee table.
Where did you hit him on the coffee table?
Where I hit him on the coffee table.
Where did you hit him on the coffee
The
table?
middle of the coffee table.
When you threw him on it? And you were just swinging? Pretty close. You think? Did you lose track of how many times you hit him?
I don't know how many times.
You just kept hitting? Was he crying?
Yeah.
How long do you think that lasted for?
5-10 minutes.
Was he crying pretty much the whole time?
Yeah.
And how was he watching? When did Crystal come in?
I don't remember it coming out.
How did she see? She, you know? You knew she was there,
Yeah,
you don't remember, but you knew she was there.
I didn't see her though.
The crystal baby deal. Right. What hand would be in
Her right hand.
with a closed fist? You did it with your left hand, closed fist, and
No,
you held him with your left hand. He was crying pretty loud.
yeah,
Where was he bleeding from?
his legs.
He was bleeding from his legs.
All right, I believe that concludes the sections that have been requested. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go ahead and adjourn for the evening. And if it's okay with you, we'll start at 9 o'clock in the morning. All right, we'll resume. When you come back, just go to the jury room and we'll let you, again, just go directly into your deliberations and not require you to come into the courtroom first, all right? And then we'll be here whenever you need us. Thank you. Oh, we'll need to collect the exhibits from you tonight. If you'll just leave those things in the courtroom or in the jury room, then we'll collect them. Is it possible to lock that door? Probably not. We'll try locking the door and leave them in there, and if that doesn't work, we'll collect them.
Yeah, I know. I've got them everywhere.
Well, let's try the lock them. Try the lock first. All right, we stand adjourned until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning.
This court is adjourned. I'll come up with a few motions. Yeah.
Oh, Pam will be here tomorrow. 9 o'clock. Oh, hey, don't forget it's the judge's birthday. The judge, he said it was his birthday, so sing to him. Bye, y'all. Have a great night.
Bye, you too.